Today I have an electronics repair, so I'm going to be working inside at my fret workbench. We'll see if we can get her fixed. Now to test out the pickups, see what kind of resistance reading we get on the bridge. 5.6, the middle 5.7, and the neck nothing. If I ground it over here, I guess I'm gonna bounce around a little bit. So I think something's gone wacky with the neck pickup. But from the other side, there's nothing. I'm going to take this bar magnet style pickup and desolder it and put it into the Yamaha. The pole pieces line up correctly and it'll fit. Right, so now as I scroll through the pickup selectors, I've got resistances that read correctly. The neck pickup especially, that had gone bad, is replaced now. So that is good. We're in business. We're ready to rock.